is x minus, same thing, x minus y is equal to pi by 4, 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan y is equal to 2 tan x. So, x minus y is equal to pi by 4. Tan of x minus y is equal to tan of pi by 4. So, what is tan a minus b? Tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y equal to 1. That is tan x minus tan y equal to 1 plus multiply 1 plus tan x into tan y. Now, you can bring that one left side, tan x minus tan y minus tan x tan y equal to 1. This is number 1. Now, LHS is equal to 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan y. Multiply 1 plus tan x plus tan y plus tan x into tan y. Now, we need to replace this. I can rewrite as, you can take this as number 1 and instead of this one, you can take tan x minus tan y is equal to 1 plus tan x into tan y. So, you can rewrite this as tan x plus tan y plus 1 plus tan x into tan y. What is 1 plus tan x into tan y? Tan x minus tan y. That is tan x plus tan y plus tan x minus tan y from 1. So, this get cancelled, that is equal to 2 tan x equal to RHS. So, we do not want this step, can cancel this one. Same thing, I do not want to take left side, but tan x minus tan y is equal to 1 plus tan x into tan y. So, LHS is equal to 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan y, 1 multiply tan x plus tan y tan x. So, 1 plus tan x tan y is tan x minus tan y. If you substitute here, it will be 2 tan x equal to 2. Let us go for the next question. Show that tan 70 degree is equal to 2 tan 50 degree plus tan 70 degree. So, see, tan 70 degree is equal to tan of 50 degree plus 20 degree. That is tan 70 degree is equal to tan 50 plus tan 20 by 1 minus tan 50 into tan 20. Now, that is cross multiply. Tan 70 into 1 minus tan 50 into tan 20 equal to tan 50 plus tan 20, right? I just multiply the bracket, that is tan 70 minus tan 70 tan 50 tan 20 is equal to tan 50 plus tan 20. Now, tan 70 you can rewrite as tan 70 is equal to, see, tan 70 equal to tan 90 minus 20. Tan 90 minus theta is cot 20. Tan 70 is actually cot 20. So, I can rewrite this as this tan 70 I am not cancelling minus this is I will rewrite as cot 20. Cot 20 into tan 50 into tan 20 equal to tan 50 plus tan 20. Now, what is cot 20 into tan 20? Cot 20 into tan 20 equal to 1 by tan 20 into tan 20 equal to 1. So, you will be getting implies tan 70 minus tan 50 tan 70 minus tan 50 equal to tan 50 plus tan 20. Now, take this tan 50 right side. Tan 50 plus tan 50 is equal to what? Tan 70 is equal to 2 tan 50 plus tan 20. Tan 70 is equal to 2 tan 50 plus tan 20. So, what is the technique we used here? Tan A plus B formula. What is tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Then I multiplied, cross multiply, open the bracket, and then I use the technique tan 70 into cot 20 is 1. Cot 20, tan 70 into tan 20 is 1 because tan 70 is tan 90 minus 20. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. You study it. 90 reduction is sine will change to cos, cos will change to sine, tan will change to cot, and cot will change to tan. So, this will become cot 20 into tan 20 is cot 20 into tan 20 is 1. So, this will become these two term will cancel, only tan 50. Take the tan 50 right side, it will become 2 tan 50. Let us move to the next question. Prove that root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20 is equal to 4. So, LHS is equal to root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20. Now, this I can rewrite as root 3 into 1 by sin 20 minus 1 by cos 20. Root 3 into 1 by cos sin 20 minus cos 20. That is root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 by sin 20 into cos 20. Now, there is a logic and adjustment, then only you can easily do it. I can multiply, this is equal to 2 into root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20 by sin 20 into cos 20. Now, I multiplied by 2 and divide by 2 in the numerator. Now, this is actually 2 into root 3 by 2 you can rewrite as what? Sin 60 into cos 20 minus cos 60 into sin 20 by Sin 20 into cos 20. Now, what is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B? Sin of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is sin A minus B. What is A minus B? 60 minus 20 by sin 20 into cos 20. Now, sin A minus sin 60 minus 20, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is sin of A minus B. That is equal to 2 into sin 40 by, I can make this as one more step here, sin 20 into cos 20. Either you can do one more step or you can split this as sin 40, or you can rewrite this as 2 into sin 40 by 2 into sin 20 into cos 20. What is 2 sin A cos B? 2 sin A cos B, sin 2A. So, this is 4 sin 40 by sin 2 into 20. That is 4 sin 40 by sin 40. Get cancel, equal to 4. Or here you can write root 3 by multiply and divide by 2, root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20. So, sin 60, root 3 by 2 sin 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sin 20 by, you can just make this is 60 minus 20. Now, if you want, you can put a 2 here and put 2 here, you can convert 2 sin A cos A, or here you can write cos 40 as what? Cos, either you can write like this also, cos 2 into 20, sorry, sin 2 into 20. So, what is sin 2A? 2 sin A cos A. Either you can expand the numerator or you can combine the denominator. So, whatsoever way, you will be getting 4 as the answer. So, let us go for the next question. If alpha and beta are acute angle, tan alpha is equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta equal to 1 by 2m plus 1. Prove that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. If you want to prove alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4 and the given expression are tan, you just prove that tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. If tan alpha plus beta equal to 1, you can write alpha plus beta should be pi by 4. So, let us see tan of alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. What is tan alpha? M by m plus 1 plus 1 by 2m plus 1 by 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2m plus 1. Now, simplify, that is m into 2m plus 1 plus 1 into m plus 1 by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Get cancel. What is there in the numerator? 2m square plus m plus 1 by 2m square plus m plus 2m plus 1 minus m. Now, that is equal to 2m square plus 2m plus 1 by 2m square plus 1m you can cancel here, 2m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, tan alpha plus beta equal to 1. That is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 only 1. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. That's all. Very simple. Tan A plus B formula. Go for the next. Alpha minus, same way you can do. That is alpha tan alpha minus beta equal to tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Now, tan alpha you can have m by m minus 1, m by m minus 1 minus 1 by 2m minus 1 by 1 plus m by into 1 by, now this is equal to m into 2m minus 1 minus 1 into m minus 1 by m minus 1 into 2m minus 1 by m minus 1 into 2m minus 1 plus m by m minus 1 into 2m minus 1. Get cancel, cancel. So, what will be the balance? That is equal to 2m square minus m plus 1 by 2m square minus m minus 2m plus 1 plus m. 1m and 1m get cancelled. You will be getting 2m square minus 2m plus 1 by 2m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, tan of alpha minus beta equal to 1, that is tan pi by 4. Therefore, alpha minus beta equal to pi by 4. That's all about in module 2. Now, I can come up with another module 3 with little more higher order thinking question from reference books and some other sources. As far as the reader concerned, almost every single question which is little bit you need to think and you need to understand, I have solved. Now, if you want to come up with another module 3, shortly I will come up with the third module. Thank you and all the best for the upcoming term 1 examination. Thank you.